Messy dishes piling up can make any kitchen feel chaotic, especially when space is tight. Thankfully, Countertop and Portable Dishwashers offer a compact, stress-free solution to keep things spotless. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best countertop and portable dishwashers of 2025, designed to save time, space, and effort while delivering sparkling clean dishes. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details on each product, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future reviews. At number 5, we have the Hermitlux Countertop Dishwasher. This countertop dishwasher is the perfect solution for small kitchens. With a 4-place setting capacity, it fits up to 10.25-inch dishes, making it ideal for daily use. The 5 washing programs, Standard Fast, Eco, Strong, and Fruit Cleaning, offer versatile cleaning options, while dual high-pressure spray arms ensure spotless results. Its built-in 5-liter water tank eliminates the need for installation, or you can connect it directly to a faucet. The high-temperature wash and PTC hot air drying make it perfect for baby items and greasy cookware, leaving dishes sparkling clean and odor-free. The unique glass door lets you monitor the wash cycle, and the touch control panel ensures effortless operation. Compact yet powerful, this dishwasher is a must-have for convenience and efficiency in small spaces. Coming in at number 4, we have the EUHOMY Countertop Dishwasher. This portable dishwasher redefines convenience with its compact design and impressive capacity, holding over 30 dishes in a single load. It's perfect for small spaces like apartments and dorms. Its dual water supply options, 5-liter built-in tank or direct faucet connection, eliminate the need for permanent installation. Featuring 6 versatile washing programs, including baby care, glass, and a 29-minute fast mode, this dishwasher adapts to your lifestyle. The 167-degree Fahrenheit baby care mode ensures thorough cleaning of baby products and greasy dishes, while dual spray arms deliver spotless results. The drying function combines hot air drying with 72-hour ventilation, keeping dishes dry and odor-free. Eco-friendly and energy-efficient, it uses only 5 liters of water per cycle, saving up to 80% compared to hand washing. Compact, versatile, and efficient, it's ideal for modern households. Taking 3rd place, we have the HAVA Countertop Dishwasher. This countertop dishwasher combines powerful cleaning with advanced drying features, making it a standout for busy households. Its heavy baby care mode uses 167 degrees Fahrenheit hot water to remove grease and sanitize baby items, ensuring the highest level of hygiene. Following this, the 60-minute hot air drying and 72-hour ventilation system keep dishes dry and free from odors, perfect for long-term cleanliness. Designed for flexibility, it supports 2 water supply options, a 5-liter built-in water tank for portability, or direct faucet connection for convenience. Despite its compact size, it handles over 30 pieces of kitchenware, making it ideal for small spaces. Efficient, portable, and family-friendly, this dishwasher is an excellent choice for maintaining spotless dishes with minimal effort. 2nd place, we have the COMFEE Countertop Dishwasher. This portable mini dishwasher stands out with its 162-degree Fahrenheit high-temperature hygiene cycle, ensuring spotless, sanitized dishes every time. Perfect for baby bottles or heavily soiled cookware, it offers peace of mind with its exceptional cleaning power. The air refresh drying function keeps dishes and the interior fresh and odor-free, a thoughtful touch for everyday convenience. Its 5-liter built-in water tank eliminates the need for permanent hookups, while the ultra-compact design fits effortlessly into small kitchens or dorms. With 6 cleaning programs, including rapid wash for quick 40-minute cycles and a dedicated glassware mode for delicate items, this dishwasher adapts to diverse needs. Eco-friendly and efficient, it uses just 5 liters of water per load, making it a smart choice for small households or those on the move. Compact yet powerful, it's a reliable companion for effortless dishwashing. Taking the top spot, we have the NOVETE Countertop Dishwasher. This portable countertop dishwasher offers unmatched convenience with its 3-in-1 functionality, a dishwasher, dryer, and storage cabinet in one compact unit. Its dry mode provides 60 minutes of hot air drying, followed by 72 hours of ventilation, keeping dishes dry and odor-free, ideal for busy households or tight spaces. With 5 washing programs, including a 167-degree Fahrenheit baby care mode. It ensures hygienic cleaning of baby items and greasy cookware. The speed wash mode cleans dishes in just 29 minutes, perfect for when you're in a hurry. Its double-layer design accommodates 4 full-place settings in dishes up to 12 inches, making it suitable for families. The 5-liter built-in water tank eliminates the need for permanent hookups, while a faucet connection option adds versatility. Compact, efficient, and feature-packed, this dishwasher is a top-tier solution for modern living. Finding the perfect countertop or portable dishwasher can transform the way you handle daily chores, especially in small spaces. From compact designs to advanced features like high-temperature cleaning, air drying, and multiple wash modes, these top 5 countertop dishwashers deliver convenience, efficiency, and versatility. Whether you're in a small apartment or dorm, there's a model here to meet your needs. Let me know in the comments which countertop dishwasher is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.